the go.
Hey guys!
Welcome back!
Welcome back to Glow on the Go. And this episode is really fun. We're doing hair.
But before we show you guys, if you guys haven't subscribed,
Please subscribe
now.
down
because
there.
we're gonna be having more videos every Monday.
Yes, every Monday at 12. So we're super excited. Okay, I'm gonna tell them a little bit. We went a few weeks ago to the Kristin's event.
And it was really fun.
And it was really fun.
The setup was so cute, everything.
So beautiful.
Yeah.
Like they have roses. It was just like the perfect feminine event and like get pampered.
J'ai cherché l'amour dans les yeux des uns des autres, mais aucun n'a fait son lit. Dans mon nid de chercheuse d'or, des histoires des entre-deux. J'en ai eu des tas, mais là où je suis maintenant, je ne m'y attendais pas. Je m'y attendais pas.
So this is what happens on Mondays when you come at Kristin's event. You get to relax and get to try all the products. They have gorgeous hair.
We loved all the products. You can get them at Target. It's really an accessible brand and it's beautiful and gorgeous. And she did such an amazing job in the packaging, smell, like, and what we need nowadays, like girls like us, that we're always on the go.
Affordable products and good products.
Yes.
Yeah.
That's key. Who doesn't want that? So today is gonna be super awesome. I'm so excited that Susie came up with this idea. She's a professional, I'm not. But I was like, dude, yes, you should do like a challenge. But first, I'm gonna tell you how I prep my hair. As she knows, she does my color. And we did the purple shampoo, as you can see. This is the one. It is the one.
If you're blonde.
And or have highlights like myself, I hate brassiness. I call it the DJ highlights, and I hate it when it turns
You
brassy.
used to have DJ highlights. DJ highlights.
I hate it. So I put the purple shampoo and I do like between 5 to 10 minutes. I like do my emails, have some coffee, and then I jump in the
So you
shower.
apply the shampoo before you go into the shower,
Yes.
and you let it sit for 5 minutes.
So then all that brassiness just goes away, and I love it. And then I finish it up with this one, which is the extra gentle conditioner, and that's about it.
Are you guys ready? Let's get started. Now I get to create a 5-minute look. I'm Fernanda. I'm gonna create an LA look, which is an effortless way.
Ah.
So the first one I'm gonna use is the blow dry mist, which is gonna cut down your drying time and it's gonna give you shine.
Je m'y attendais pas. Je me suis débattue dans les sables mouvants. J'ai érigé des remparts. Ils n'ont pas tenu longtemps. L'amour sans horizon. Je l'ai vu 10 fois, 100 fois. Mais là où je suis maintenant, je ne m'y attendais pas. Je m'y attendais pas. À t'aimer comme ça. J'ai suivi ma voie. Je suis tombée sur toi. Je m'y attendais pas à vibrer comme.
Now that the hair is nice and smooth, I'm gonna create the soft waves. I'm using the working texture spray. So I'm gonna start on the side and I'm gonna go ahead and section the hair. And I'm gonna lift this out. I'm gonna clip that up. I'm gonna go ahead and spray it. You wanna start halfway and then just do one turn. Always leave the ends flat.
J'ai suivi ma voie. Je suis tombée sur toi. J'ai écrit sur moi en vert.
For instant texture and volume, I'm gonna use the sea salt spray. Just spray it everywhere. Oh, it smells
So good.
Final step, I'm gonna be using the recovery balm. This one, you just use it on the ends. It adds shine and hydrates the ends. And the best thing is you can use it anytime, anywhere. You can carry this with you in your purse, and look, it smells really good too.
Super good. Oh, this looks
Yeah, it's
amazing.
perfect for the ends. So this is the final look, guys. What do you guys think? So we created these nice beachy waves.
And only in 5 minutes using these products, which they're gonna be written below this video. But this is a challenge. Can you create a Kristin look?
In 5 minutes.
Only 5 minutes, guys. I think you can. And please tag us Glow in the Go Kristin look. We'll see you next time.
Thanks for watching.
And don't forget to subscribe.
Glow on the Go.